as a follow-up to my grinder won't start video, I've got this grinder partially dismantled in order to clean it. You can see the pan that collects all of the regrind. And here is the tongue for the safety switch attached to the back of the pan. In there, you can see to the right in the back, there's the safety switch. On the front here, you can see the front panel. I've got it pulled away and you can see the tongue and the safety switch. This is what was loose and wasn't making contact, keeping it from starting. And here, I'll pivot up the chute. You can see, here's the tongue and the safety switch. And there's the inside of the grinder.